This is an air raid siren. In this century, an air raid siren. Warning people that the Russians could be brutal at any point in time. There could be missiles, drones. I haven't looked yet what it could be. But could strike where I stand. You could die. You live with this every single day. You could go hide in a shelter. You could cower in fear. But as Roosevelt once said, we have nothing to fear but fear itself. Ukrainians are not afraid of the Russians. They will never give in. I will never give in. Slava Ukraina, and the brave people of Ukraine.